Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by addressing permits and safety. Make sure utilities are marked and a clear drop zone exists. Put on helmet, eye protection, gloves and chaps, and set up a stable ladder or harness. Once done, remove the fronds and dead material to reduce weight and snag points. Use a handsaw for crown work, then make an undercut about 1/3 through the trunk where you plan to fell sections. Doing this now reduces kickback risk and improves control. Once the crown is reduced, you proceed to sectional removal. Girdle or make an undercut then a back cut and remove the topmost trunk segment. Work downward in manageable 2 to 6 foot sections so weight is controlled. Make sure a rope is tied around each section and a spotter helps guide it to the ground. This prevents rollaway hazards. Also, keep the chainsaw running technique steady. Neutral throttle between cuts, and pause to reassess balance and tie-offs before each next cut. You finish by addressing the stump and roots. Either grind the stump to below ground level or excavate the root ball and remove major roots. Once clear, fill the hole with soil and compact lightly, then reseed or landscape as desired. Chip or haul the trunk sections and green waste according to local rules. If at any point the tree starts to lean unpredictably, unseen utilities appear, or a cut binds, stop immediately and call a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.